Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll show you this type of poster design or creative design for the social media. And that's easy actually, but some complex things over there. I'll show you how to make it simple. So let's start the tutorial. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. At first, going to the file and taking new options. From here I'll take another artboard which is 2000 pixel and 2000 pixel, giving the name Jim. Okay, and hit the create button, and after that going to the file and going to the place embedded options. Some images I already downloaded from the internet or other websites, and I'll provide you all the links for your convenience, because of you can make this one for your purpose or your content actually. So from here I'm just going to this one. I just downloaded this one from unsplash.com and making this one bigger a little bit, actually a lot more bigger, like this. Okay, that's fine. And then rename this one like man. Okay, that's good. Going to the file and going to the place embedded options. Here is the texture, there is the wall texture, and okay, texture. Okay, that's good. And make the opacity a little bit down, or you can make this one into the downside, and make sure that that is the restylize the layer, restylize the layer. Okay, make this one a little bit opacity down. Actually I should make this one 100% and make this one a little bit down. Okay, that's good. And going to the file again and going to the place embedded options. From here the Jim photo, that is the PNG file, and just insert over there, right press and restylize. Okay, and then bodybuilder, already just we are getting the name over there. Now time to use the colors like this, so red and blue, or you can use the orange and teal, whatever you do like. Okay, and at first taking another blank artboard, going to the gradient. From here gradient, and take the color which is red and draw like this. And the blue color, you can take another separate layer for using this. Okay, that's good. And making these two things into the screen mode and this one into screen mode, and selecting these two things, making it bigger, or you can make this one a little bit like this. Okay, that's good. And then here the prominent color, it will appear. So how to do that? Taking another blank artboard and the blue color, B from the keyboard, and now that is the brush actually, and now brush this area. Okay, carefully you can brush it out, and making this one create clipping mask, and making this one into overlay or hard light or soft light, which one you do like actually. I'll use the hard light and make the opacity a little bit down. Okay, the blue accent will appear. Okay, now again another one, and making this one create clipping mask, or you can just make this one like that actually. So before using the clipping mask, you can brush over there, taking the red color from there and brush over there, actually this and this. Right press and create clipping mask, and after that making this one into hard light, and here 45%, I'll make this one into 45% again, actually from this. Okay, that's good. So you're getting the accent over there. So if I turn it off, I should provide here a black solid color, it will make more sense actually. Okay, that's good. And now going to the file and going to the place embedded options, and using some sparks like this. Okay, that's fine. And now I'll just giving the rename. Okay, and right press and restylize the layer. Okay, this man and the bodybuilder and everything is good, or you can use it into the upper side, whatever you do want. And now I'm going to the file and going to the place embedded options, and here some couples gym or couple those who are interested for the gym, and making this one into the downside. Okay, press Ctrl or Command T, making this one a little bit smaller. That's good. Make the opacity a little bit down, and another bodybuilder, you can place it out from here. This one. Okay, making this one smaller. That's good. And brush it out. B from the keyboard, making the bigger size, and brush it out. Okay, that's good. And this one, actually you should create clipping mask and create a clipping mask. Okay, I should make these three things or these bodybuilder things into here BB, that means the bodybuilder actually. That's good. And then now time to use the write up and everything. So I'll make the here the mask, this one, B from the keyboard, and I'll remove a little bit so it will make sense actually. And I'll write down no pain no gain over there. So I'll use this one into the back side of this, that means this one, Control or Command A, and placing it into middle. That's good. And all the stuffs into the middle. That's good. We should make this one brush properly. Okay, that's good. Now going to the text tool, T, and writing. Okay, that's good. And choosing a font which is like gym type font. So before that, this type of things, that means that this type of notes sometimes appear. So how to solve it out? I just made this one fix up way how to fix it up because of okay, pressing OK, turn off this one and turn off this one. So make this one make sure that here no things should be press it out, otherwise it will show this type of notice. And after that, just select this one and making the color which is white and making the size bigger. Okay, that's good. Press Ctrl Command T, making the full size bigger like that. And I'll use it in the downside, so this downside, no pain no gain, and making this one a little bit bigger. And I'll make it stroke, going to the blending options from here and making the stroke like 4 pt, and from here making the fill color down. Only the stroke will appear over there. Okay, almost done. And the fitness and place, this type of to write up, I'll write down over here. So same text like place, which is the fitness place, and I'll make this one bigger. That's good. Press Ctrl or Command A and making into the middle, and you can take another text which is the fitness. We'll write down this fitness into the cursive letter, any sort of cursive letter you can choose from. So lots of script type fonts, fitness should be like that. That's good. It should be red or this type of things, and I'll make this one into the red. Okay, fitness place. You can make this one into the middle of the artboard. That's fine. And here the downside, we should use the gradient. So how to use the gradient? You can put the gradient from here, the gradient options, and from here make it black and hit OK and hit OK. So you are getting the hype of these. And in this case, I'll suggest you this one to make to the upper side, actually the spark actually. So make the spark into like screen mode, so you are getting the busiest thing. And press Ctrl Command T and making this one a little bit smaller. Okay, that's shiny and everything. And if you want, you can make this one into white, and you can give the fitness, you can make this one into red, whichever do you like, you can put it out. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend, and if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. Until the next video, ASM Arif signing out. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers. Bye bye.